so it's me, Alexa, and Julia is not here because she is sleeping early. Okay, she's sleeping. So without her, I'm gonna do how to do a simple airplane. So first, you will fold it into half. This one half. Not like this half, but like this shape. Rectangle. And make sure you want it will be straight. Okay. Dapat line siya, line. Kasi kapag hindi siya pantay, yung airplane mo ay hindi siya yung tawag, hindi siya maayos. So we need to fold it in the same way. This one the same way, so it will not be destroyed. So here and do like this. Fold it like this. Make sure it is in a line. Dapat nandiyan siya sa line. There. This is what you do. This is what you do. And again, fold it like this into square. Into triangle. So it will be looking like this. And fold it again this way. Okay. So that the airplane will be looking adorbs. Always keeping saying that. And this is my hardest part. I don't know this part. Okay. So fold it in here. You need to fold it like this. I don't know because I don't really know how to do an airplane, to make an airplane. So do it like this. And do it the same way. And you see there's a little triangle in there, and you have to fold it like this. Okay, you have to fold it like that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's not really pantay. I'm gonna take more. There. So you have to go in the back and fold it again. Fold it like this. Wait. Okay. All secured, and fold it into this one. And make sure it will be in a line, not because so that it will be nice and cute. And I hope your kids will know how to do the airplane part like this. And then fold it again. Like here. Okay. Do it like this. Fold it in this one. Like fold it here. Fold it here. Here. Fold it. And there you have it, your small airplane. Yeah, I did pretty good. Well, I did it well. So that is it, guys. I hope you liked my video and hope you subscribe to our channel and leave a comment down below. And please like our videos. So bye.